From being the nation's food provider to becoming the architect of India's destiny, the farmers of India are stepping into a new era, powered by renewed strength, dignity and confidence. Across the country, from seed to soil, from fields to marketplace, farmers' empowerment is taking a new shape. Inspired by the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is relentlessly working to build a holistic, future-ready agricultural ecosystem, where every farmer is not just a food producer, but a true nation builder in New India.
बीते 11 वर्षों में भारत का कृषि निर्यात करीब 2 गुना हो गया। अनाज उत्पादन 900 लाख मैट्रिक टन और बढ़ गया। फल और सब्जियों का उत्पादन 640 लाख मैट्रिक टन से ज्यादा बढ़ गया। 25 करोड़ से ज्यादा सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड किसानों को मिले हैं। पीएम फसल बीमा योजना से करीब 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए क्लेम के रूप में किसानों को मिले हैं।
Adding to this growth story, more than 55,000 farmers have been certified for natural farming across India, and more than 70,000 Krishi Sakhis are promoting natural farming practices. Farmers have been empowered through record KCC support worth 16 lakh crore rupees and robust fertilizer subsidies of rupees 14 lakh crore rupees. A major rise in the agriculture budget from 22,000 crores in 2014 to 1.27 lakh crores, an increase of about 500%. Each of these achievements reveal India's resolution to uplift its farmers and turning its vision into reality. Carrying forward this resolution, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has launched 2 historic initiatives, namely the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and the Dalhan Atmanirbharta Mission, aimed at transforming agriculture, thus fulfilling the vision of a self-reliant nation. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi has emerged as a landmark initiative bringing hope, stability and dignity to millions of farming families. Under this scheme, farmers receive 6,000 rupees annually in 3 equal installments, which is transferred directly into their bank accounts. So far, more than 3,91,000 crore rupees have been transferred to eligible farmers across the country.
ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೈತರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ PM ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
PM கிசான் திட்டம் கொடுத்தது விவசாயிகளுக்கு வந்து ரொம்பவும் உதவிகரமா இருக்குது. அந்த உதவிகரமா இருக்கிறது நான் அனுபவபூர்வமா சொல்லும்போது, நான் வந்து விதை நெல் வாங்கும் போதும் இல்ல இடுபொருள் வாங்கும் போதும் கரெக்டான நேரத்துக்கு அந்த PM கிசான் திட்டம் வந்து துட்டு வந்து கிடைக்குது.
Recently, severe floods devastated Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Uttarakhand. Honorable Prime Minister visited the flood-affected areas and assessed the situation. With the compassionate and decisive leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, this calamity has been handled with courage to mitigate the losses and support the people in these states. For more than 35 lakh farmers in these 4 states, more than 710 crore rupees was transferred at the time of need as the 21st installment of PM Kisan.
जिन्ने भी पैसे मैनू प्रधानमंत्री निधि योजना दे आए ने वो सारे मैं खेतीबाड़ी दे लई ही वरतों कीते आ.
Today, as the nation moves forward, the Honorable Prime Minister has transferred more than 18,000 crore rupees directly into the bank accounts of over 9 crore farmers as the 21st installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Progressive farmers empowered India.